Good morning, children. I hope that you all are keeping well. Stay safe and stay at home and wash your hands at regular interval. And whenever you go out, please wear a mask. Unless and until there is no emergency, please don't go out. So, let's start the chapter number 2, addition and subtraction of two-digit numbers. So let's see the warm-up exercise. Let's see, it is Geeko the fox birthday party. Geeko and its friends want to know each other's age. Draw or cross out candles for their age. So Geeko is 6-year-old. How many more candles does he need? So he is 6-year-old and how many candles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 plus 2. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So when you add 4 plus 2, you will add 2 here, it will become 6. So how many candles does it need? It needs 2 candles more here and then it will become 6. So Geeko is 6-year-old. So let's see number 2. Bunny is 2 years old. How many less candles does it need? So here how many candles you can see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here how many years old is Bunny? 2 years old. So 6 minus 2. So when you subtract 6 minus 2, it will become 4. So how many candles we will remove? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many candles will left now? 2 candles. So 6 minus 2 is 4. He needs to less 4 candles, then he will get the perfect number of his age, that is 2. Now see, Jackie is 8 years old. How many more candles does it need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So Jackie is 8 years old. The number of candles are also 8. So how many candles does it need? It does not need any candle to be added or subtract. So here you write 0 because the number of candle is 8 and the age of Jackie is also 8. Now let's see Simba. All of you know about Simba, no? Simba was the lion king. So let's see. Simba is 9 years old. How many less candles does it need? So we'll count the candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So Simba is 9 years old. So 10 minus 1 is 9. So he only wants to cut out only one candle and the answer will be 9. The age of Simba is also 9. So let's move on. Let's see. Our first part is addition. Addition properties. There are 3 rules of addition properties. Rule number 1. When 1 is added to a number, we get number after it. For example, 45 plus 1 is equal to 46. When you add 1 in 45, you will get the answer 46. 79 plus 1. When you will add 1 in 79, you will get the next number, that is 80. Rule number 2. When 0 is added to a number, we get the same number. For example, 60 plus 0 is 60 and 23 plus 0 is 23. This is a very important rule, children, that you should know. When 0 is added to a number, we get the same number. Always remember, when 0 is added to a number, we get the same number. You can see here 60 plus 0 is 60 and 23 plus 0 is 23. Rule number 3. Numbers can be added in any order. The sum is always the same. So numbers can be added in any of the number, in any of the order, and the sum will be always the same. So you can see here 30 plus 12 is equal to 42 is the same as 12 plus 30 is equal to 42. Before we have added 30 plus 12 is equal to 42. So here we can see, before we have added 30 plus 12 is equal to 42, and the same we will just twist it off, that is 12 we have started with 30 plus 2, here 12 plus 30 is 42. The answer will be the same. Always the sum will be the same. Here also the answer is 42 and here the answer is 42. Only the digit has been changed. Any order you can add, the answer you will get 42. So 42 is called the sum of 12 and 30. For example, 12 plus 30 is 40. 12 plus 30 is equal to 42 is called addition fact. Now see here, addition by forward counting. We will see here addition by forward counting. When we put together two numbers, we add. We use the symbol, the sign of plus, sign for addition. We can add by forward counting. Add 7 and 45. Step 1, take a bigger number, 45. So here 45 number has been taken here. And how many numbers we have to add? 7 numbers. So take the bigger number first. 45 you have taken. Now add. 40 plus 1 is 46. Plus 2 is 47. Then you will add 47 plus 2, 48. Plus 3, 49, plus 1, 49, plus 1, 50, plus 1, 51, plus 1, 52. So 45 plus 1 is 46, 46 plus 1 is 47, 47 plus 1 is 48, 48 plus 1 is 49, 49 plus 1 is 50, 51 plus 1 is 52. So when you will add this 7 number to 45, you will get the answer 52. So step 2, count forward 7 from 45. 45 plus 7 is equal to 52. Now see the exercise. I have done it for you. 56 plus 1 is 57. 67 plus 0 is 67, because I have told you rule number 2, when 0 is added to a number, we get the same number. So 33 plus 0 is 33, 87 plus 0 is 87, 70 plus 0 is 70, 16 plus 46 is 62, 59 plus 1 is 60, 1 plus 65 is 66, and 0 plus 32 is 32 plus 14. So let's move on to the next page, page number 28. Let's see here. It is not, the picture is not clear, but I will tell you the answer. 67 plus 4 is 71, 70 plus 5 is 75, 42 plus 7 is 49, 30 plus 8 is 38, 56 plus 3 is 59 and 90 plus 9 is 99. So add using the number line. So you can see 31 plus 8. So 31 plus 1 is 32. You write the number here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 31 plus 1 is 32, plus 1 is 33, plus 2 plus 1 is 34, plus 1 is 35, plus 1 is 36, plus 1 is 37, plus 1 is 38, and 38 plus 1 is 39. So the answer will be 39. 54 plus 7 is 61, and 68 plus 6 is 74. So 68, after 68 you write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you count. 68 plus 1 is 69, plus 1 is 70, 70 plus 1 is 72, plus 1 is 73, and plus 1 is 74. So you'll get the answer 74. So here some projects has been given. Here the counting has been shown. So with your fingers you can add and you can subtract. I have done this exercise for you, as it has been said that Mohit, Sania and Ali have won the addition game. They are at the water park to celebrate. Here are 3 addition facts. They were given to find the answer. Can you find out the answer by making 10? So here I have made the answer. 10 plus 5 is 15. You can make it 10 plus 5 is 15. So here also 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 2 is 12, and 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 4 is equal to 14. So I have made 3 addition facts for you, and here are the number counting with your hands. You can learn it by yourself. So here is the exercise for you. Addition or adding 2-digit numbers. So you can see here, let us recall vertical addition. Add 14 and 33. Step 1, add numbers under ones. So tens and ones. 4 plus 4 is 8, and 3 plus 1 is 4. Step 2, add the numbers under tens. Add the numbers under 10. 3 plus 1 is 4. So 34 plus 14 is equal to 48. You can get the answer here. So in her toy basket, Rini has 33 bells, 15 spinning tops, and 21 toy cars. How many bells, spinning tops, and toy car does Rini have all together? Step 1, add the number under the ones, that is 3 plus 5 plus 1. So 3 plus 5 is 8, and plus 1 is 9. So step 2, add the numbers under the tens. 3 plus 1 plus 2. So 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. Here the block counting has been given. First number is 3, 1, 2, 3. You can do this also, or you can draw a line also, 1, 2, 3, and then 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1. So you can count it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 9. Here the numbers under 10, there is 3 plus 1 plus 2. You can see here also. You draw the line here: 1, 2, 3, 1, and 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 33 plus 15 plus 21 is 69. I have a total number of 69 items in my basket. Adding 3 numbers is as easy as adding 2 numbers. So here is the exercise, students. I have done it for you. 2 plus 6 is 8. 4 plus 3 is 7. 4. Draw the lines and then count. 1, 2, 3, 4 lines you draw. 1 2 line you draw, 4 5 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. I am telling you to draw the lines. If you have any difficulty in counting, you can use your hands, your fingers to add the number, and you can draw the lines and you can do the addition work. 6 plus 0 is 6, 5 plus 1 is 6, 1 plus 7 is 8, and 7 plus 1 is 8. So I have done it for you. You do it in your books. So here I have done one exercise for you. 3-digit number. 6 plus 1 plus 1, 1 6 1 is 8, 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, 5 plus 2 is 7, and 1 8. 0 will be as it is. 5 plus 4 is 9, and 4 plus 5 is 9. 7 plus 2 is 9, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. 6 plus 2 is 8, and 2 plus 5 is 7, and 1 8. So adding 2-digit numbers with regrouping. What is regroup? To write the numbers in tens and ones. Always remember to write the numbers in tens and ones. Let us recall adding 2-digit number with regrouping. Add 48 plus 27. So step 1, as I have told you previous, add the number under ones. So 8 ones and 7 ones. So 8 ones and 7 ones. So here you can write. So regrouping the sums, 15 ones and 10 ones is equal to 10 ones and 5 ones is equal to 1 10 and 5 ones. So step 3, you can see here. Write 5 under ones, carry over 1 tens. See, 8 plus 7 is 15. You write here 5 and you take a carry over this number. 4 plus 2 is 6, and you can carry over the number 1. You add it into this number, it will become 7. 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So 48 plus 27 is equal to 75. You can see here the answer. Add the numbers under tens. 1 plus 3 plus 4 is 8. So here you can see 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 8 plus 7 is 15. 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So let's move on. That is 48 plus 27 is 75. Now let's see this exercise. I have done it for you. 9 plus 9 is 18. I have carried 1, 5, 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. And I have carried the one number. 2 plus 1 is 3, and plus 1 is 4. 9 plus 1 is 10. Carry 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 8 plus 3 is 11. And 1 carry you take. 3 plus 4 is 7, and carry 1 is 8. 7 plus 6 is 13, and I have done the carry and circle it. 2 plus 1 is 3, and you will add this number also, so it will become 4. 8 plus 7 is 15, and I have carried one number. 4 plus 3 is 7, and add this number also, it will become 8. 7 plus 9 plus 6 is 22. So 2 you will write here, and you carry 2 here. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7, and 7 plus 2 is 9. 7 plus 8 plus 9 is 24. You write here 4, carry 2. 3 plus 2 is 5, and plus 3 is 9. Sorry, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. So you write here 10. So projects and activities has been given here. You can do it by yourself, create and solve, read the story, create the addition fact and solve it. So this you have to do it by yourself, or the next time I will do it for you and I will send the answer. So whatever I have done in the book, students, from page number 26 to page number 32, you please do it in your book. I will send you the pictures, the clear pictures of this exercise and answers. So the picture which is not clear, you do it by yourself. I will send you the answer afterwards, but before that, if the picture is not clear, you can do it by yourself. So I hope that you have understood the 2-digit addition and the 3-digit addition. We will meet again and we will study further about subtraction. But before that, complete all the work in your book that I have told you from page number, again I am telling you, from page number 26 to 32. Complete it in your books. Thank you and have a lovely day.